Do you love skincare and makeup? Hey, Dr. Will Kim, dermatology resident here. Today I'm excited to show you guys another one of my foolproof skin preps before makeup, 5 steps. The first step that I went in with after washing my face was the COSRX 6 Peptide Skin Booster. Incredible pre-makeup serum. It's very watery. It has great peptides in here. I do think the concentration from what I've read online is a little bit lower than other dedicated peptide serums, but this one is just so great under makeup and gonna help nourish and heal the skin. After I went in with that first step, which was really to hydrate my skin, the next step was to hold that hydration in my skin underneath my makeup. I went in with the Prequel Multi-Quench Hydrating Serum. This one has polyglutamic acid and it also has glycerin. Polyglutamic acid is a great humectant. It's a little bit larger than hyaluronic acid, and so it's really going to help contribute to a glass skin look by just keeping a nice layer of hydration on your skin underneath that makeup. And for me, whenever I've used this serum underneath my makeup, it's never pilled and it just keeps me looking nice and hydrated for an entire day of makeup wear. Really standout product and affordable, great price points too. Most of what Prequel sells has just been incredible price points. The third step I went in with was a vitamin C, and I used the Skinceuticals CE Ferrulic. The one that I have, I think is oxidized sadly, but I'm still gonna use it because it's very expensive. But one of the reasons why this one I like it under makeup is that it feels a little bit oily almost, and I think it gives me a nice little shine. Not oily shine, but just like a almost glass skin kind of hydrated look whenever I use this under makeup. So another reason why I like this vitamin C serum, but it is on the pricey side. The fourth step I went in with today was the Prequel half and half peptides plus ceramides fluid moisturizer. If you've been watching my videos, I love this product. I use it morning and night. I often will mix it in with my foundations. This, I think about it as a milky toner and is one of the thickest milky toners that I've tried. It's just so nourishing and feels amazing on the skin. This is also my hack for under eye area, where I don't use thick eye creams under my makeup and I instead use this product. If I'm feeling extra dry on a particular day, I will even layer this product a few times, like 2 times, so that it can really moisturize my skin without causing my concealer to later on crack and settle into fine lines. So this product has been a knockout. The last step I went in with today was my Haruharu Black Rice Moisture Airy Fit Daily Sunscreen, SPF 50+ and PA4 pluses. This is my favorite sunscreen under makeup by far. It has an amazing texture. It is very moisturizing for the skin, and I think if you are someone who has a normal to oily skin like I do, then you would love this. I think even dry skin people would love this. It's so moisturizing, but it's not so thick that it would be too heavy for someone who has oily skin. So I love this product, and all 5 of the products that were mentioned today just work really well under makeup. And I know it can be difficult because certain skincare products will be amazing on their own, especially as part of a nighttime skin routine, but they won't work well under makeup. Because I am someone who loves to wear makeup, I really do try to look out for products that also play well under makeup. This was the 5-step skin prep that I have underneath today's makeup look too. So if you like this video, give it a like, subscribe, and leave a comment down below what you thought. And if you have any questions about the pre-makeup skin prep process, I do think it's so crucial towards having a skin-like makeup look that lasts all day. Until next time, I hope you all have a wonderful week. Bye!